little yoga this morning. Why don't we stand up to get started and stretch those arms way up high. Oh, up to the sky. And then let's lean to one side. Oh, that stretch feels good. Breathe in. And then lean to the other side. And breathe out. Oh, that feels so good. Breathe in. Come back to the middle. And then wiggle those arms all the way down. Can you wiggle your shoulders up and down and up and down? Okay. Now we always like to start off by filling up our balloon. So we're going to breathe in. Hold it for a second. And then we're going to let the air out of our balloon. Let's do it again. Breathe in. Fill up our balloon. Hold it for a second. Breathe out. Do it again. Breathe in. Hold it again for a second and then breathe out. All right, we're going to breathe in again. Hold it up here and then for a second, blow it out. Okay, last time. Breathe in. Fill that balloon up as much as you can and then blow it up. Good. Okay, we are going to do the silliest yoga story this morning. Are you ready? I was going on a walk to my park. You ready? You want to pretend to walk? Yeah, I like to snap my fingers. I was going on a walk through my park, and then I heard a noise and looked up, and in the tree I saw a nest. So we're going to make a nest. We're going to lay down on our backs. And then we're going to try to make like a bowl. So we're going to stick our legs up in the air. And then we're going to stick our arms up in the air. And then we're going to breathe in and spread them out. And then breathe out and close them. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now sit up on your bottom. And then sitting in the tree next to the nest, I saw an owl. And we're going to take our arms like this and we're going to go breathe in and go. And then we're going to go. Woo. So breathe in and put your arms up. Breathe out and go. Woo. And then breathe in. Breathe out. Go. Woo. And one more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Woo. And then that owl said, look down there in all that mud. It's a boink, boink, boink. Pig! It's a pig! So I looked down in the mud and I did see a pig. So now we're going to make it shape like a pig. We're going to lay on our backs again and put your feet up like this. And if you can, grab your feet and go. Oink, oink, oink. I said oink, oink, oink. I said it a little louder this time. Oink, oink, oink. And then I said it real soft this time. Oink, oink, oink. And then we roll ourselves back up. And then the pig said, oink, 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 look over there by the pond. I see an animal waddling. So stand up. It went waddle, waddle, waddle. It went waddle, waddle, waddle.
That's a penguin.
And then it went quack, quack, quack.
Ducky.
Yeah, it was a ducky. It went quack, quack, quack. Okay. Now we're going to try to stand like a duck. All right, we're going to work on our balance. So take a deep breath in. Let it out. And then try to stand on one leg. And then grab the other foot. Put your arm out in front. It's okay, it's kind of hard. I'm going to turn around and try it on my other foot. So stand, pick up this leg, and if you can, grab it with that hand, and then woo. That was good. Now we're going to flap our arms and go, quack, 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 quack. And then we're going to wiggle our bobs down to the ground. And then the duck went, quack, quack, quack. Look at that beautiful, colorful rainbow. We are going to make a rainbow. Are you ready? So we're going to get on all fours. So put your knees and your legs down like this. Put your hands down on the ground underneath your shoulders. And take a deep breath in. And then squeeze your breath out and make your back go up like the arch of a rainbow. And then let that arch fall and breathe in. Breathe in. And now arch your back up like a rainbow. Then breathe out. We're going to do it again. Breathe in. And then push the air out of your mouth and push your back up. All right. Now sit back on your bottom and pretend you're holding a paintbrush in one hand. And reach over here and then paint the sky in an orange. Paint it back. Up to the sky and down. Now let's put the paintbrush in your other hand. We're going to do the same thing. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Oh, you guys painted some beautiful rainbows. Well, after that, I looked over and I couldn't believe it. All of a sudden at my park, there was a gigantic ocean and a beach. So I walked over to the beach and I looked into the ocean waters.
And there was a seagull.
And then I saw a fin bobbing up and down in the water. It was a shark! Oh no! So we decided we would lay on the beach and make shark shapes with our bodies. So we are going to get on our tummies, stretch out flat on your tummy. Put your arms down to your side like this. Lay your head down. Okay. We're going to breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, now we're going to breathe in. And we're going to lift up our arms and our head like this and our feet. And we're going to go baby shark. No. And then we're going to go back down to the ground. Okay, breathe in. And lift up your shark head and your shark fin and your legs. And then breathe out. Okay, we're going to breathe in and make our shark shape again. Woo, breathe out. Okay, and then push up with your arms. And sit your bottom back down on your feet like this. Put your arms out forward, your head down. And then look at me for a second before you put your head down. Take your arms and make a fin like that. And kind of put it up over your head like you're a shark swimming through the water. Okay, while we're down here, we're going to sing our song. Baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark. All right, now lift your head up. Put your hands on your hip and say, I am fierce like a shark. Yes. And then I looked up from the beach, and there was a rainforest in my park. And I said, I think I see an animal with orange and black stripes. And I went, it's a what? A tiger. You got it. So we're going to do a tiger shape. So make sure your knees and your feet are down on the ground and your hands are under your shoulders. And we're going to breathe in. And then we're going to arch our back and let our breath out and go. Okay, breathe in, arch your back, let your breath out, go. Let your tummy go down, breathe in, arch your back, and then let it out through your mouth. And then sit back on your bottom, put your fists on your hips like this and say, I am strong like a tiger. Strong like a tiger. Good. Well then, that tiger shook its tail and then it pointed its tail. And I looked where the tail was pointing and I saw a magical, mythical creature. It had 4 legs, a tail, and a horn on its head.
A unicorn!
It was a unicorn. So now we're going to stand up like our unicorn. Okay.
Ready?
Make sure your feet are down under your hips like that. And then bend your knees a little bit. And then take your arms and put them up like that. And now we're unicorns. And we're going to lean to the right and point our unicorn horn that way. We're going to breathe in and breathe out and lean to the left and point our unicorn horn that way. Back this way. Back that way. And then stretch your arms up high. And put the arms down like this. And then we're going to blow our breath out of our mouth like we're a unicorn. We're going to go. We're going to do it again. Breathe in. Blow it out through our mouth. And then I said, unicorn, unicorn, where did you come from? How did you come to my magic park? And the unicorn said, oh, from that volcano over there. And I said, what, a volcano? And I turned around and looked, and sure enough, there was a volcano. And so we're going to make a volcano shape. We're going to spread our feet a little bit wider than our hips. We're going to send one arm up like hot lava. We're going to send the other arm up like hot lava. And we're going to go. So breathe in. Pull your lava arms in. And then breathe out and shoot them up. Bring your lava arms in and breathe in. And then breathe out and go. Bring those lava arms in again. Breathe in and then breathe out and go. Oh my goodness, I thought things couldn't get any crazier than a unicorn and a volcano and a tiger. But then jumping over that volcano was a whale. Have you ever seen a whale jumping over a volcano?
No.
I told you it was going to be a silly story. So now we're going to make a whale shape. Lay down on your back. Put your feet up. And then drop your feet to the ground like that. Okay. Now we're going to squeeze our bottoms and lift our tummies up to the sky like this. Whoa. Okay, come back down. Breathe in, squeeze your bottom, and lift your tummy up to the sky. Good. Bring your bottom back down. Breathe in, squeeze your bottom, and lift your tummy up to the sky. Okay, bring your bottom back down, and then sit back up like that. Well, I thought I hadn't seen anything sillier than a whale jumping over a volcano. But then I saw a little fish hopping up and down out of that volcano. Never seen fish
A lava fish.
Yeah, it was a lava fish. You are right. So now we're going to get down like a lava fish. So lay on your tummy and put your hands here by your shoulders. And then we're going to shoot our arms forward and pull them back like we're swimming like a fish. So breathe in, arms forward and down to the side. Okay, breathe in, arms forward and down to the side. Good. Breathe in, forward and to the side. We're swimming like volcano lava fish. Boy. Is anybody else getting a little hot and toasty? Okay. So I decided to see, you can stop and sit up. I decided to see if there was anything else amazing to see. But I looked up, I looked down, I looked to this side, and then I looked to that side. I didn't see anything else silly. I didn't see anything else strange. And then I started feeling really tired. So turn around, come up on your knees, and then sit your bottom back on your feet. And then put your head down like this. I was feeling sleepy. I lay down.
But like a rectangle.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And then I heard my mom going, "Wake up, wake up, it's time to wake up." And I looked up, and I wasn't in a magical park with a volcano and whales and tigers and unicorns. I was in my bedroom. Oh my goodness, do you think it was all a dream?
Yeah.
I think you are right. You got it. Okie dokie. Let's lay back on our mats. On our backs. We're going to take 3 deep breaths together. So breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Can you guys find your toes? Can you wiggle them a little bit? Can you squeeze your toes as hard as you can? Squeeze those toes, squeeze those toes, squeeze those toes. And relax. Can you feel the bottom of your feet? Wiggle your feet a little bit. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And then try to make your muscles in your feet tighten up as hard as you can. Tight, 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 tight. And now relax. Make your feet go wiggle flop and get soft like a marshmallow. Okay. These muscles here, from your knee to your ankle, can you try to make those muscles squeeze up super duper tight? Squeeze them, squeeze them, squeeze them, squeeze them, squeeze them, and then relax. Now this part of your leg, from your knee to your hip, let's try to squeeze those muscles. Squeeze them, squeeze them, squeeze them, squeeze them, squeeze them, relax. Okay, pat your tummy. Pat your tummy. It kind of sounds like a drum, doesn't it? Drum, 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 drum. Okay, squeeze your tummy muscles as hard as you can. Squeeze them, 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 and relax. Let them go. Let them flop. All right, can you find your rib cage? Those bones in your chest, they sound kind of like a drum too. Okay, squeeze your chest muscles as hard as you can. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And relax. Can you find your shoulders up here? Okay, squeeze your shoulders. Squeeze them, squeeze them, squeeze them as hard as you can. Ooh, what about your fingers and your hands? Can you squeeze them? Squeeze, 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 squeeze. All right, now find your face muscles. Can you feel your face muscles? Okay, now squeeze your face muscles as hard as you can. Squeeze, 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 and relax. Now take a deep breath in and blow it out. Breathe in and out. One more time, breathe in and out. All right, now sit up. Oh. How does your body feel now?
Good.
It feels good. What are some other words we could use to describe how our bodies feel?
Dizzy.
What?
Dizzy. Dizzy.
Does your body feel a little silly? Mine does. Does it feel kind of heavy or does it feel light?
And I'm a trouble.
Yeah. Funny. Yeah, it does. It does. It feels funny. Okay. What?
I'm popping like funny. I'm popping like heavy.
Heavy. All right, I know you guys like to do butterflies, so find your feet, and make the bottoms or the soles of your feet kiss or touch each other. And then shake those knees up and down. Does that feel like a good stretch? I know it does.
I don't do it like that. I do it like that.
Yeah, you do it like that?
I do it like that. I can't keep my feet together without.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know why. It feels like a good place to put my hands, right? Okay.
I can do it without.
What are some other animals that you think would be fun yoga poses?
Oh, I know.
What?
Rhinoceros.
Ooh. We could try to make a rhinoceros pose. Would you guys like to try? We've got another minute before we're done. Oh, I want to try. So let's get back on all fours. Make your back like a table. Put your knees down and your hands under your shoulders. And then I have an idea. Let's go back. Put your bottom back and then bring it forward like you're charging like a rhinoceros. So bring your bottom back. And then move your head forward like a charging rhino. Come back onto your bottom and then move your head forward like a charging rhino. That's kind of fun. That was a good idea. Okay.
Are we done?
Do you want to be done?
Yeah.
Well, all right. Then I think we're kind of at a good stopping place too. So let's stand up. All right, we're going to fill up our balloon 3 times. Here we go. Breathe in. And then blow it up. Breathe in, blow up that balloon. Hold it for a second and then blow it up. Here we go. Breathe in. All the way to the top. Hold it for a second and blow it up. All right. Bring your hands together in front of your heart, and we end with namaste.